That's okay. Live at the wake-up of Senator Ifeanyi Ubah, late, the senator representing my senatorial district. Hence the need. I came here this night to give him the last respect. I know some people online have warned that we shouldn't come out, but here we are. Listen, people should know that the great Igbo nation is not owned by certain individuals. We own it collectively. And in owning it collectively, we cannot run away from the homeland. We can't run away from the motherland. And this is where we are. It's quite unfortunate at the age of 52 that this is actually happening. I mean, I would rather say that he came, he saw, and he achieved the much he can do, and he has just left. It's only left for us that are alive to do the most needed that we can do. So having said that, you know, it is what it is. So people, if those of you who are out, who think that nobody's going to come out for the burial, that's a fluke. People are here. Security is tight. We're here. We can't run away from our Igbo. And Igbo belongs to all of us. Once more, rest in peace, Senator Ifeanyi Ubah. So, uwa malukwa Nambia.